Hey guys, it's Josh here with Superior Boat Repair and Sales. Today I'm going to do a quick walk around on this brand new 2022 Barletta Cabrio 22 UC. It's just a great looking boat here. We did this in the white opal with the blue sapphire. We did option this boat with the dual Bimini tops. So you can see I got those open here. It's a great way to get a bunch of coverage from out of the sun. They can be operated independently, so you can have one closed or one open. Barletta does an amazing job on their fit and finish. So you can see underneath here, this full tri-toon, it's all underskirted. Real nice, heavy duty splash guards. I mean, just thick, beefy corners. Got these great pop-up cleats. We put this one on a tandem axle trailer by Boatmate. And then we opted for the Mercury 4-stroke 150 for the power plant. Plenty of motor for this boat. And again, you got those full length lifting strakes. Get this boat up and on plane. All right, we're gonna start up here at the bow, taking a look at the interior. See, it has a kind of a light tan color, but it does have gray tones to it. See that gray two-tone color there. Got those pull-down armrests up here in the front. Just a great spot to be lounging. Making our way aft, you can see the UC stands for the Ultra Lounge dual captain chairs. So you got that nice Helm chair over here for the spotter or the passenger here. Really nice area. Barletta's been doing these great doggy view doors. So you can see out that side. Really helps for pulling into a dock. All right, moving over here to the helm. Again, you got that really nice high back seat. It does recline and swivel. Just a really comfortable steering wheel. Those great Barletta gauges. We opted for the Hook 5 on this boat. So you got a fish finder, some depth gauges, that kind of stuff. There's your controls for your power Bimini tops. And one of the biggest features I like is all this leg room underneath here. I'm 6'3". It just gives a really nice area to put my feet, be able to stretch out, get a lot more comfortable on these boats. A lot of pontoons. There's not a whole lot of leg room up there at the helm. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the Ultra Lounge back here, which is one of the main features. Again, just a super versatile lounge area. This cushion can come forward, create a rear-facing lounge. And then all of these cushions here operate independently. So you can see that comes up, creates a backrest. So now you can actually have a forward-facing lounge. Give you a little look here at the Bimini top. This is the forward one. And then you'll wrap your boot around it and it's all stowed. All right, and that's a quick walk around on this brand new 2022 Barletta Cabrio 22 UC. If you want more information or you want to come take a look at this boat, come on down to Superior Boat Repair and Sales or give us a call at 916-638-3382. And remember, hit that like button, hit subscribe, keep up to date with all of our current inventory, and we'll see you next time.